If you have taken other sessions of this classroom management course, hopefully you are to the point that the behavior of most students in your classroom is under control. This content is most appropriate if you are dealing with one or two students misbehaving. Please note that if students have patterns of misbehavior, it is also important to check if the student has a current behavior intervention plan. If the student does, it is important to collaborate and coordinate efforts with the team who created that plan. Behavior is often interactive and can be emotional. How you respond to a student's misbehavior is crucial. Correcting student misbehavior is surprisingly difficult, so it is important to reflect on effective strategies when responding to a misbehavior in an attempt to change the negative behavior. Please look at the various components of an effective strategy to respond to a negative behavior. The objective of this session is to build on the ABCs of behavior from session 1 by adding the language of a framework called Prevent, Teach, Reinforce, or PTR. These concepts help to problem solve around a few students who may need a more intense, individualized plan. As a review of Session 1 content, the ABCs of behavior are the antecedent, the behavior itself, and the consequence, or what happens immediately following the behavior. Behavior is learned and demonstrated for a reason. This reason is known as the function, and the negative behavior often happens to gain or avoid something. The PTR framework puts a focus on teaching and learning strategies to offset negative behavior. The link to what you know about the ABCs of behavior is shown next. This table represents how the PTR framework aligns with behavior ABCs. Your management plan might need to be adjusted based on data you collect in your classroom around behavior. When behavior becomes a pattern, antecedents for the negative behavior and what happens as a result of this behavior may become more clear, and the corresponding PTR questions can help you reflect on how your basic management plan can adjust. The activity for Session 9 will guide you through your basic classroom management plan. By reflecting on it and considering alternative ways of implementing it, the few students who may need stronger correction will benefit from improvements you make. Answer the questions as part of the activity that is listed next in this Canvas Session 9. Whether you have taken these sessions in order or not, we hope that the content has allowed you to think about your role in shaping the behavior of the students that make up your classroom community.